The 2011 2500. Dodge Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It is the hardest working truck in tow business and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front, security package, trip computer, front stabilizer bar, 160 amp alternator, front license plate bracket, tinted glass, speed control, chrome tubular cab steps, 4-piece floor mat set. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.